Hey everybody, just wanted to share with you an answer to a question that's been coming in quite a bit, and that is just how do you use the Smart Tools prospecting system to help to find interested people to join you in your NetLeaders business. So the number one thing is we need to take a look at what URL you actually send people to, and your Smart Tools prospecting URL is actually this crazy set of numbers, and there's a reason behind this. So you will now all have a website that is http://751,971,343.com. And if you put in / and then your NetLeaders username, your site will come up as a prospecting funnel. So this is the URL that you will share to your friends, family, neighbors, cold market, warm market, to assess a level of interest based upon using the prospecting system that we call Smart Tools. Now, the reason we use this URL that's all numbers is it makes it very easy to go across the telephone, through Instant Messenger, through WhatsApp or whatever, and through different languages, because instead of having to continuously say, no, you spell Smart Tools with S-M-A-R-T, and the other person's not understanding it. Now, regardless of language, most people can figure out basic numbers, or even if you're speaking in another language to each other, basic numbers are easy to understand. 751,971,343.com. So way less mistakes of URLs and people saying, I can't see it, can you send it again? So when you are dealing by voice, having a numeric URL is fantastic. And the other reason is there is nothing but curiosity generated. So it's not amazingcryptocurrency.com, to which someone who doesn't understand or care about cryptocurrency may decide not to get involved. So it's not something specific to make people prejudge and say yes or no before they ever come to your site based upon seeing the URL. And it translates real easy to make sure people don't make mistakes in entering the URL when you're telling it to them by the telephone. So I'll now take you to take a look at the actual funnel itself to show you how it works. So this is the experience that the people who you give this particular URL to will go through, and then we'll take a quick look at the back office to show you what happened so you can see how this can assist you in building a great big NetLeaders team. So the first page of your funnel is this one, which we've shown you in another video. Paid well, still not getting ahead. Plays a little 17-second video just to assess their interest level. Once that video is played, they will either click the Please Show Me button, or we actually have it set to auto-direct at about 22 seconds. So if they can't find the button, they'll just magically end up on the next page. So once they click the Please Show Me button, they'll be taken to the next video where they get a slight overview about what's going on and why they might be interested in figuring out how they could profit from the current small business and cryptocurrency craze. So this will play for the 2 minutes and 43 seconds. And at the end of the 2 minutes and 43 seconds, if they click the next button, it'll take them to the next page, or again, it's set to change to the next page about 10 seconds after the video ends. And this just helps everything stay smooth if they're looking at it through a mobile phone. So once that next button comes up, we won't wait for it. I've got things pre-set up. We'll end up on the first survey page. So the survey page is where they decide if they're interested or not to learn more. So we're just trying to get them interested enough to say, yes, send me more information. And then from there, they would actually fill in the form. So we'll just go ahead and use a common programmer's term of Fred. And we like to ask for a city. And it'll automatically default to the time zone that their browser is set in, but they can change it if it's not quite right. So then we go through a couple of questions like, okay, so based upon watching the video before, what's your type of interest? Earn a side income in cryptocurrency by sharing our mission opportunity with those with great connections. You are connected to small business owners and or would love to learn how to be a small business consultant and earn consulting fees and software residuals, helping small business owners increase sales and profits. Or you're a small business owner and want to learn more about our smart business tools to help your own business. Or at this point, they're welcome to say, not interesting at all. All are acceptable answers. We're going to go ahead and assume that they're sort of a networker that wants to come and join NetLeaders and build a big business. And then as we go to the next page, we've now captured their information. So now we launch directly into the NetLeaders story. Now this is a nice 9 minute and 32 second, not too much cryptocurrency speak, easy to sort of, easy for somebody to watch and get the concept of NetLeaders to decide if they might be interested or not. So from here, they would then go to the website to get more information that's more detailed and cryptocurrency focused and all the lingo. But this is where we take a regular person and share him the NetLeaders story to see if they're interested. So depending upon how they answer things, they're going to get different content served up so that you can have them get the most information that they need to make it very easy when you get on the phone and talk to people. Yes, I did say get on the phone and talk to people, or instant message, somehow reach out and make a connection. This is network marketing. This is about building relationships with people. And then upon building that relationship, you can start to do some good business with each other. So the system will find you the people that are interested. With you following up, you will convert a whole bunch of them into people who join you as a customer and or a distributor in your business. So now let's quickly take a look at what happens in the back office with the fact that someone just went through that funnel. So here we are in the back office, and we've come to our all contacts. So if we look at actually the all contacts page, we can see that we have a new contact. New contacts do show up in green for a day, so you're easy to see who is new. And we can click on Fred Nurk to take a look and see what's gone on with him. So once you're in his record, if you scroll to the bottom will actually show you all of the survey questions and answers. So we can see that they answered earn a side income in cryptocurrency, and we see that how much they'd like to make is at least half their current monthly income. So we know that they're probably a networker or someone reasonably serious. So from there, we would pick up the phone and reach out. And that's how we use the funnel to find interested people, know how interested they are. We tag them with potential networkers so that we can actually find them in the future if we want to do an email blast to all of our networkers, and the system starts to take over based upon the things you can learn in the manual from here. But that's how you use the system, from your prospecting URL that you hand out all the way through to the actual back office where you can see what happened.